Sir, itu amnian daga federation bra poila PIL ekta file guise Tuensang fiasco guina. To itu la main purpose to PIL filing la main purpose to kita gise.
Okay, at first amakan boila ro Confederation of Chang student tagise boli amakan itia recently this year amakan Chang Wetsohi Setshang change kurigena ase amakan itu PIL file to amakan Confederation of Chang students or Chang Wetsohi Setshang to file amakan itu PIL to the 3 June 2022 day 2020 day amakan itu PIL to file kurise itu amakan PIL file kuralaga ki limited file kurise itu for non implementations of standard operating procedure for peoples entering Nagaland issues by the government of Nagaland Finance Department Nagaland with communication number ACS FC COVID-19 2020-2060 dated 14/5/2020 are non-implementations of standard operating procedure issued by the government of Nagaland with order number CSO CAB 1 Commissioner General 1 2020 dated 18/5/2020 itu kili implement grana goshi gole to on 22/5/2020, 1,463 stranded people's returnees of reached Dimapur, Nagaland from Chennai Red Zone by special Sharmik train, Nagaland around 6:30 p.m. And after observing the necessary protocols, the returnees bound from Kohima station left from Kohima and reached on 23/5/2020 around 6:30 a.m. Out of the total returnees on the particular day, 169 of the returnees were bound from Tuensang district, and so as per the SOP, they will be screened and designated screening facilities at Kohima and to be quarantined at Kohima initially before they were sent to the respective district. However, on 26/5/2020, after obtaining sample of all the stranded returnees of Tuensang district stationed at Kohima Quarantine Center, everything went highway when they were sent to Tuensang straight from COVID hospital NHK. Before the results of the COVID-19 tested were furnished, unfortunately, 1 out of 169 returnees result was test positive for COVID-19, which eventually increased to another 4 COVID-19 positive cases. Among the returnees, the endangered the lives of the remaining 164 returnees and the public of Tuensang at large due to the negligence of the state government for not carrying out the SOP norms and guidelines for the safety of the returnees. Itulaga government bra procedure SOP maintain na pura karne amagan itu PIL to file kurise.
Or sir, itu regarding this connection, government la Gauhati tahan bra development activities specific gui disi guys Tuensang de. So any comments on that?
Okay, regarding that one, we have already mentioned in the point number 5 at PIL that the present PIL is not about some development, public conveniences, welfare and modernization of the society, but concern the right of the life of the members of the standard returnees of Tuensang and the citizens of Tuensang district and the public at large interest. But we acknowledge the development activities which was made by the government and we acknowledge for that one. It has been mentioned that in the judgment, it has been mentioned that establishment of testing laboratories and installation of oxygen plants and the treatment facilities of COVID patients has been given. So we are acknowledging the government for that development and the implementation.
Government but Judicial Inquiry Committee set up kuchi to itula the apnian la stand or apnian statement de kina kasi.
Okay, regarding that, after the incident, the government has already set up a Judicial Inquiry Committee, and with that committee, the JIC report, which was already submitted on 2020, on 15th July 2020, the JIC report has been already submitted to government. But so far, the government didn't taken any steps or actions basing on the report or any findings that was submitted by the JIC committee. So now we have a report on the judicial inquiry at our hand. Therefore, we are expecting the government to take steps or the actions which was find out and sent by the JIC.
On 2nd March 2022, Gauhati High Court court judgment delivered and then itula the apnian court judgment na de apnian na stand de kina kasi.
Okay, the Gauhati High Court has already given us a judgment after a period of 2 years. We have been struggling for that one for 2 years, and since the court has already acknowledged the report of the JIC, so the court has given a judgment that, basing on the JIC report, the government shall consider the same and take appropriate action based on the findings as per the law within a reasonable time. So we are expecting the government to take an action as early as possible and give justice to the peoples of Tuensang.